Wisconsin weather for 20 years. Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
That hot and humid air mass in western Wisconsin right now is going to stay there. Let's take a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We're going to see 80s once again tomorrow here in northeast Wisconsin. Then we'll see 70s. And then on Friday, high temperatures will only be in the 60s. Right now, we're getting pretty close to that hot level. In Wautoma, I consider the hot level 90. It is 89 in Wautoma. We've got 86 in Fond du Lac, and we're looking at 85 degrees in Oshkosh. It's much cooler near Lake Michigan with a southeast wind. In Green Bay, it is 83. We have hazy sunshine. It's 82 in Appleton with, once again, some hazy sunshine, although we had smoky sunshine this morning. That's smoke coming in from some big wildfires located across western Canada. NBC 26 precision radar shows quiet conditions across the eastern part of the state. We have a few showers here in the northwestern part of the state, and then we've got a couple of severe thunderstorms here across southwestern Minnesota, and this is an area where we could be looking at the threat for some severe weather as we move through the evening, and then that'll shift east later on tonight. In fact, we have a slight risk for severe weather across northwestern Shawano County up through central and northern Marinette County into the UP of Michigan. A slight risk of severe thunderstorms mean that some short-lived, not widespread, severe thunderstorms are possible. So that's something we will be watching as we head deeper into the nighttime. You can see here on high-res future radar that those showers and thunderstorms really start to get their act together across northwestern Wisconsin, probably around 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. By midnight, they're moving through the Northwoods. As we zoom in here just a little bit closer, by 1 o'clock, it appears that most of them will be weakening, and the best threat for that thunderstorm activity will be north of Green Bay. But as the cold front moves through, we could see a few additional showers and thunderstorms develop farther off towards the south, and 1 or 2 of those storms could be on the strong side. Now, to our west, we've got a warm front. Way to our west, we've got a cold front. In between, a hot and humid air mass. Temperatures getting up into the 90s, and this hot air mass is going to move right over us tonight. So we're not going to tap into the heat. If the air mass was coming in about 12 hours slower, we would be looking at highs probably in the mid to upper 90s tomorrow. Instead, we're going to be looking at high temperatures in the 80s. By the time the sun comes up, all that hot air is going to be pushing to our south and east. Having said that, tomorrow's still going to be warm with highs in the 80s. Precision cast shows the cold front moving through later on tonight with a chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. Behind it, we'll have quiet weather tomorrow. High pressure equals lots of sunshine across northeast Wisconsin. Quiet weather tomorrow night as well. And then our next weather maker moves in for Thursday and Friday. This is the moisture from the remnants of Hurricane Blanca, which hit Mexico over the weekend. And it looks like that's going to track right over Wisconsin as we head into Thursday night and Friday, and the potential is there for some very heavy rain. A widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain is likely. Heavier amounts are possible. Where that heavy track sets up, though, still the big question mark. Stay tuned. So your forecast for tonight does call for a shower or a storm, especially north of Green Bay. Warm and muggy. We'll be watching those thunderstorms. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, breezy and still warm with highs back up into the 80s. We'll see 70s on Thursday. Heavy rain is likely on Friday across Wisconsin. Cooler weather on Saturday, partly sunny skies, and then we'll start to warm up again as we head into next week with high temperatures mainly above normal, right around 80, give or take a few degrees.
So the storms tonight won't, if we get them, won't be that severe for people?
No, an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm is possible. The biggest threat as we move through the next 3 to 5 days is going to be the heavy rain threat coming in on Friday. There could be some serious rain totals on Friday across parts of Wisconsin.
We'll have to watch that. We already had a lot of rain.
We have, and we're going to get more.
All right. Thanks, Cameron.
Yep.
Still ahead on NBC 26.